why the iPhone 15 isn't worth it in 2024, and why you should wait for the iPhone 16. Every year, Apple enthusiasts eagerly await the latest iPhone release, and 2024 is no different with the introduction of the iPhone 15. However, this time, it might be wise to hold off on upgrading. Here's why the iPhone the 15th of May not be worth it, and why you should wait for the iPhone 16, expected to launch with iOS 18. Incremental upgrades. One of the main reasons to reconsider upgrading to the iPhone 15 is the nature of its improvements. While it will certainly bring some new features, these are mostly incremental rather than revolutionary. Let's break down some key aspects. Design. The iPhone 15 is expected to maintain a design similar to its predecessor, the iPhone 14. While there will be minor refinements, such as potentially slimmer bezels or a slightly different camera layout, the overall look and feel will remain largely the same. For those looking for a significant aesthetic change, the iPhone the 15th of May disappoint. Performance. While the iPhone 15 will likely be powered by a new A17 Bionic chip, the performance boost over the A16 chip in the iPhone 14 is expected to be modest. For everyday users, the performance differences might not be substantial enough to warrant an upgrade, especially if you're using an iPhone 13 or 14. Camera and features. The iPhone 15's camera system is expected to see some enhancements, but these will likely be iterative. Minor improvements in low-light performance, slight tweaks to optical zoom, and perhaps better image processing are on the horizon. However, unless you're a professional photographer or a tech enthusiast who needs the latest features, these changes might not justify the cost of upgrading. Battery life and charging. Battery life and charging speeds are crucial for many users. The iPhone 15 is expected to bring small improvements in battery efficiency and perhaps faster charging capabilities. However, these enhancements are not projected to be game-changing. If your current iPhone is holding up well in terms of battery life, the incremental improvements in the iPhone 15 might not make a significant difference. Why wait for the iPhone 16 and iOS 18? Given the incremental nature of the iPhone 15's upgrades, waiting for the iPhone 16 could be a better decision. Here's why. Design overhaul. Rumors suggest that the iPhone the 16th of May feature a more substantial design overhaul. Apple often follows a pattern of major design changes every few years, and the iPhone 16 could be the one to introduce a fresh new look, potentially with new materials or innovative form factors. Significant performance boost. The iPhone 16 is expected to come with the A18 Bionic chip, which might offer a more noticeable performance boost. Combined with potential advancements in AI and machine learning capabilities, the iPhone 16 could deliver a more substantial leap in performance. iOS 18. Integration. The iPhone 16 will likely launch alongside iOS 18, which is expected to bring a host of new features and improvements. Waiting for the iPhone 16 means you can experience iOS 18 on a device optimized for it from day one, ensuring a smoother and more integrated user experience. Advanced camera features. With each major iPhone release, Apple tends to introduce significant camera upgrades every few generations. The iPhone 16 could potentially offer advanced features such as enhanced zoom capabilities, improved sensor technology, or even new camera modes that aren't available on the iPhone 15. While the iPhone 15 will undoubtedly be a solid device, its incremental improvements might not justify an upgrade for everyone. By waiting for the iPhone 16, you can potentially enjoy more significant advancements in design, performance, and features. Plus, with iOS 18 expected to bring exciting new capabilities, the iPhone 16 might just be worth the wait. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.